Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Hello. We are currently in the train station and we're going to Suzhou. We're still waiting for our friend and for the train to start, so this is gonna be so much fun. We're staying overnight as well, and then on Sunday, currently it's Saturday, and then on Sunday I'm going to have the HSK1 exam, so let's do it. You have to. Oh, yeah, this is nice. This is Tintin.
This is
We're on our way to Suzhou.
So I switch here?
Yeah. The funniest thing just happened. We just got off the train and it's the wrong station. So we rushed to the train and now we're good.
Yeah, in 8 minutes we'll be in
Suzhou. Yeah. This is Wuxi, so.
Oh, it's actually so close to us.
Yeah.
Yeah,
very close. This time we're at the right train station, thankfully. So now we're gonna look for the hotel, and then we're gonna get
5 minutes walking.
Ooh, that's so close. It's like an Airbnb, and then we're gonna get some lunch. Okay. It's very nice. We just arrived at the place. We accidentally tried to open a different door, but then we went to our door.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
It was punching people.
There was no one there. Let's just think that there was no one there.
Okay, actually now we're going to the front desk.
Yeah.
It's on the 17th floor. It gives us the code and nobody's there. But it says there's a CCTV.
Oh, okay. I leave our stuff. Yeah,
But let's
perfect.
bring like the passport.
Passport, yeah.
With us.
We can do that.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we eat. So hungry. Girlfriend. We've arrived at a noodle place. Tinting is getting some place. So busy. We went upstairs, there was no place, so we're downstairs. People are staring, but that's okay. And this is the place. These are the food. These are shrimp noodles. This is fried dumplings, soup dumplings, and shrimp again. And we're still missing something. We finished our meal, got splattered on the way, so let's see the rating. Lana, what do you like best?
I like this one the most.
The fried dumplings.
Yeah. The noodles is good, but I like the texture. I think the crispiness. Yeah, I like texture stuff.
What did you like the least? The steamed dumplings.
It's not. I liked it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
1, 2,
Yeah,
3.
yeah. Tinting, what's your rating?
I have my passion for those kind of dumplings. But I think in this restaurant, I like the fried one better. And the transparent noodle it's good, it's okay, but I think I prefer the one that is thinner.
Thinner one, yeah.
But the noodles is good. I quite like
These noodles were very good. Yeah.
How about you?
So I think my favorite was the noodles. It also had the shrimp, so I love shrimp. I would put this second and this third. And that fourth. So that's an option. Wow. Very good. Nice. Just got some luck in. I got a kale drink, Lana got a kale drink, and Tinting has a carrot drink. So, yeah, this is our cleansing after the dumpling. All the fries. Oh, look how pretty! We arrived at the museum. There are so many people there. Also, the street we walked through was so nice. So nice. But now we're going to the museum. We are in, but first we're gonna go to the bathroom, and then we're gonna go through the museum, and then we're gonna go to the gift shop. Whoa! Look how nice! The weather is so nice. It's like the best day we could have picked. Love it. It's a pomegranate tree and it has so many pomegranates in it. It's so beautiful. Went to the souvenir shop, got myself souvenirs. The girls are tired. Smile.
So they are asking, you know, the lady can sing, but we need to pay 5 RMB each.
So she can
extra.
sing?
So we'll sing for us as well.
我来付了，唱。
He's giving us this treat.
Thank you.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7， 35块啊，30块付30，好不好？可以。OK。我们是可以去修的，推广的。这样子。唱好要10点半，10点半。太阳了。
The camera like a dance.
我们就是去唱歌。
I pressed it like 5 times.
I think I'm a student.
Yeah.
才31，我们夫妻2个都是31岁，这个孩子是33岁，哇！
很正常，那个。
不行，要不拆下来盖吧。
The colors and then it will turn into. Oh, so nice. So pretty.
That's very nice.
We are at the apartment, so we're gonna enter for the first time. So let's see it. Ooh! This is the first time that worked. Let's see.
Wow.
This is nice.
This is so nice.
Let me close the door. Oh, we have a bathroom here.
Oh my goodness.
That is really nice. This looks insane.
This is so
That is really fancy. What's behind the curtain? Just a window, I think. Yeah. Oh, wow. Very nice. Let's go see upstairs. No.
No, this one here.
Ooh.
Oh, wait, there's two sides?
Yeah. So
Oh wow.
Nice.
We have this side.
Wow. The view.
Goes here.
The view.
There's no view, it's so dark. Well. Oh, you can see a field.
Oh,
that's
we need to come
nice.
stay here. So good.
I'm happy with the rooms.
Yeah.
And the other
Go on
room
the
is
other side.
a bit smaller.
Ooh, still cozy.
Yeah.
And then this is just like
Oh, what's this area?
deposit
What's
space.
in this area? Oh, I
Just nothing.
You get no. I
We are currently in a bubble in a pizza restaurant. Look at Lana.
Hello, Auntie Sheila.
Hi.
It's Auntie Sheila today, but they just told us we can move upstairs to eat, so we're gonna do that because it is very, very cold. Where is Lana? And we have no heater, so we're gonna go upstairs.
Yeah.
We look so ridiculous if you only knew.
Hi, Ting Ting. What do you have to say?
I just want to say I'm really looking forward to the next part.
Hi, Daniela.
I'm
You
really
look so
looking forward to the
beautiful.
So hungry. We ate so much today, but I'm so hungry. Can't wait. First pizza is here. So pretty. This is the tiramisu we got.
Really cute spoon.
Very cute. We're currently in a place where we thought would be like a pub. It's not. It's it's empty here. There's no one. No one. But we still got some drinks, extremely overpriced. But we're waiting. But I'm pretty sure this place is a host club. You come here, you buy a drink, and then men come and talk to you. I'm pretty sure that's the deal. Cause see, there's the congregation of men over there.
One guy.
In a tank top, not even sure what.
Where are the group? Where is the group?
That's on the picture.
Cheers! Whoa. Okay, girls, tell what happened.
We went to a bar and
We thought it was a
touch the
pub.
men.
Yeah, it's not a pub.
They come in groups of 5.
It's a host club.
and they come and then you can touch.
Oh
it.
my
touch
god,
the
it was
muscles.
so awkward.
It's so weird. Yeah.
There was like 4 or 5 of them, and they just the
Daniela
fact.
couldn't look up.
Oh my
she
God.
looked down.
I
Like,
was like,
let them go. Ting Ting, please tell them. Tell them, Ting Ting.
No, because I
Let's
saw
go.
them from afar, like talking amongst themselves, like hyping themselves up to like actually go to us because they didn't wanna. And then when they came to us, they were so awkward that I felt bad for them. I was
I
like,
did feel bad.
I don't want to put them in this position. And I don't want to touch any of them. Like it doesn't. It won't give me any pleasure.
As good as in the photos.
And after they left, we laughed so hard.
Salut. Bonjour.
We laughed so hard for like the next 5 minutes that I think we made them self-conscious of themselves. Like it was that bad.
Yeah.
But it's a fun experience. It's an experience.
We had
It's a funny.
it's
Funny experience.
it's an experience for sure. So now we're going to a club to try to redeem this day. But it was fun. We have memories of Suzhou.
Yes.
It was really fun. What I have here? You're so ridiculous. took a ditty back to the apartment. Now we're almost there. The club was very lame. The music was way too loud. There was smoke everywhere. What else was bad about the club, huh? Yeah, it's very, very loud. The music was bad. There were some dances by the girls that were nice.
Someone asked you for your number.
Yeah, someone asked for my number. I said no, thank you. But it's like 1:30 in the morning. Don't do that.
Lana is taking her hair
I'm gonna shower.
So I'm going to end this video here. My heels are way too high for me to be running like this. I'm going to end this Vlogmas here. We're still spending one day in Suzhou, and tomorrow I also have my HS1 exam, so I'm gonna do that. But that's gonna be Vlogmas day 4, so I'm gonna end this here because it's already long. So this was Vlogmas day 3. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for coming along with me, and please consider subscribing for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.